Hello all! Today we will be going to talk about Earth and changes on it. So let's start without wasting any time. Now let's talk about the introduction first. The surface of the Earth never remains the same. These changes can be sudden or gradual. Now what are sudden changes and gradual changes? Think. Yes, sudden changes are those which are immediate changes like volcanic activity or earthquake, whereas gradual changes are very slow and they take place gradually over a long time like rivers or wind which are carrying soil. Human factor is also responsible for changing the earth's surface like cutting trees, constructing roads and bridges and building dams, etc. Now what is external process? Any process which is working on the earth's surface and bringing changes on it is known as external process. External process can lower the level of land or it can raise it by wearing or depositing the particles. Now what is weathering? The term weathering refers to the process that breaks rocks into smaller pieces. It includes erosion and deposition. They disintegrate as they are exposed to all types of weather changes. Now what is erosion? Erosion or denudation refers to gradual wearing and carrying away of all those loose particles of disintegrated rocks which lie exposed on the earth's surface by the weathering and agents of gradation like running water, wind, moving ice and sea waves. Now what is deposition? Deposition refers to the laying down of sediments which have been carried from distant parts of the earth's surface by various agents of gradation. Wait and watch for more videos.